Hey, what happened to Bitcoin? We've been talking about this, haven't we? Yeah, if you haven't watched the channel before, it's Rob Guilty. Hey, let's talk about trading. Let's get to it. So, yeah, what happened to Bitcoin? What actually happened to Bitcoin? Well, that's what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to show you what happened to Bitcoin. And we're going to talk technicals. We're going to look at the technical aspects of this whole thing because at the end of the day, it's all about Elon Musk that went out there and he said something on Saturday Night Live with Dogecoin, and then he was pulling his money out of Bitcoin because it's not green anymore, and these guys have been really ripping this thing around, and there's lots of fundamentals that go on behind it. But hey, let's have a look at this chart, just by the way. Putting my glasses on because I'm older, I can't see. Okay, so let me just press record. Let's have a look here, guys. So yeah, let's go into Bitcoin and let's just have a quick look at this. Now you can see here, this is about where Elon Musk purchased his shares, somewhere around here. Okay, and it shot up, and it went all the way up to 64,000. And then with all the news and that, it started coming down and it bounced. And yesterday we had this long drop down to 31,000, and now we've got the bounce back up to 39,000. It could be a dead cat bounce, by the way. You know what a dead cat bounce is, eh? Up, boom, back down again. But anyway, what I want to show you here is this. Okay, does anybody see what I see here? And I've been looking at this for quite a while. There's quite a few shares on the market with this. But this is really what it stood out to me before this happened, and that is the head and shoulders. Okay, there's a shoulder, there's a head, there's a shoulder, and it played out. Look at this, it played out all the way down. Now you know that the shoulder or the drop will be the same height as the head. Okay, so you take that distance and you add it down here, and it actually went a little bit further than that. And it dropped through the 200-day moving average, and that is pretty dangerous, going through the 200-day moving average. Fortunately for the Bitcoin traders, it did go back up again, and it's above the 200-day moving average at the moment. But it is below 40,000, still at 39,000 here, I see. So what I wanted to say to you guys is the technicals actually played out to the T on this trade. It's absolutely incredible. I was looking at this and thinking, what the hell, can you believe it? But now, if you look at it, guys, your stochastic RSI is oversold and she's turned and she's trying to go up. Now, if it's not a tit cat bounce, then you might get a recovery quite up to into the 40s somewhere. Okay, but I think it's going to hang around here for a while. People are very nervous, and unless some serious news comes out to make it go up, I actually suspect it might drop down to the 200-day moving average. I'm looking at 30,000 as more of a reasonable target here. But then again, that's Bitcoin. It could go anywhere. It's so volatile. It's unbelievable. Now, you guys know my feeling on Bitcoin, okay? And it's for me, it's fresh air. You're trading against nothing. If anybody can explain chain technology, but whatever it is, chain technology, blockchain technology to me, you're more than welcome to try. The logarithms and making bitcoins and this, that, and the other. For me, if I don't see it, it ain't real. Okay, and I know that this is the future, and people are talking about this. But guys, this is the future. If someone like a country like America connects it to the Reserve Bank and connects it to the dollar, then it becomes the future. Okay, it becomes the future of money. Your money becomes a number. It already is in the bank if you consider it. You're working with credit cards, you're working with paying with your cell phone and all that sort of thing. The next step, you'll be paying with it from some chip or whatever the case. So in the future, there won't be any cash. Cash will be removed. It's a fact, okay? But the basis that I've been trying to get through to people is Bitcoin is something that's been invented on a computer, and it doesn't attach itself to any tangible value. What it is traders trading against traders, or people trading against people to create the value of this coin. Okay. Whereas money is based on the country's economy, value, and property, And it's also based on the value of its reserves in gold and that sort of thing, and diamonds and whatever else it's got. Okay? Now, when a country decides to go crypto, it's not going to go Bitcoin. It's going to go with its own crypto that's going to be related to a dollar. It's going to be related to a rand. It's going to be related to an Aussie dollar. It's going to be related to a yen or a euro. Or it's not going to be some kind of strange currency like Dogecoin that's brought up and this is what we're going to go with now. No, those don't have any tangible asset value. You've got to have a tangible asset value on anything that you trade. If you buy into a company, it's got a tangible asset value. So this is why I'm very confused with cryptocurrencies that are available on the market at the moment, because as far as I am concerned, they all appear to be some kind of a Ponzi scheme, and there doesn't appear to be any real value in them. So, but yeah, if you're trading it, like I've said before, you can always trade it. Just remember, if you wake up tomorrow morning, it's all gone. Okay. You could have gone short on that, and if you'd woken up today and Bitcoin had gone, well, it doesn't matter. Then your investment's gone with it. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you are trading it. I doubt it's going to go anywhere soon. It looks like it's going to hold on for quite a while. It's going to be around for quite a while. But keep in mind one thing if you're trading this long term. If the USA, for example, does decide to start their cryptocurrency, which relates to the country and the dollar and etc., what do you think is going to happen to these cryptocurrencies? Do you think they're going to stick around? Or do you think everyone's going to put their money in those cryptocurrencies because that's real money and that's where you can actually spend money? Because their cryptocurrency is going to be, you can walk into a shop and purchase an item over the shelf. That's how their currency is going to work. This doesn't work like that yet. So keep your eyes out for that. Yeah. Take note, eh? Take note. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. I thought that would be interesting. It's a technical on the Bitcoin as well. I can't believe that Bitcoin actually played out a technical pattern, to be honest with you. And I used to trade very fundamentally, and these days I do like the technicals. They're so nice. So if you enjoyed that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Pop down to the description. There's a whole lot of books on the stock market there. Check them out. And till next time, it's Rob Guilty. Thanks, guys. Cheers.